from compared to the first event. For rena an increase ya 12% ya bontsha gore se se re se thomile ka 2023 e ba katlego and batho ba kgona go bona gore ka nnete batho ba ba re direla ntho e re e tlhokang gobaneng if re be re sa dira ntho e right ka 2023 batho ne ba ka se boye ka 2024 and ona no e re shala re launcha as early as last week ka baka la gore batho ba bantsi ne ba na le phišaelo ya re le thomaneng and e be re bona gore ora gore se re se dirile le ka 2024 se khatlile batho ba bantsi ba le gore they were not there so rena ka borena re bona ile success araba le di incidents tse le ro karne race by stopile ka baka la gore everyone else was there and everyone else was happy ana ntwe re ka re reportile le ro karne ba stopile race e bile success
yeah a bua ka gore ga gona ba ba reportileng tlhoksi a gopola bofelo ke ile ra bua ka marago ga lebelo la 2024 ga le fetsa go ne gona le ene le magatwe gore ke te ona le mongwe o kile a go bala mo mmileng mo lebelo ga ke itse gore morago ga gore lebelo le go bokhutlong di investigation tsa lona ga le dira le fitlheletseng gonne ke te go tlhaloswa gore go kile go na le accident ya lo le jalo e tlhalose sentle o e totobatsa
ka e ba botse no ba arrogance ya nka se re ke taxi driver but ke arrogance ya driver
okay
without mentioning what type of a taxi because if o ka sheba re apply la route re ya go jog re agree ka di terms and conditions incident e ra je go ranka kata it was a wide open road re beile di cone o ya ka the investigation ya rena e bile gore motho o tshiletše on the other side ya di cone a tsamaya mo tsamaya wa di rana so that's how it happened and unfortunately motho had to be in hospital we did check up on him and he was recovering. We also now recently, it caused trauma, obviously. It's one of those things that becomes a setback. More namara. Similarly, I feel an eye open because from the inception here is requested or at least eba ka re tswalla tsela or ska ba le dikoloi then ba rene re ka tswalle tsela because it's a provincial road ditori tse tsa felelela but we are hoping or in the 2025 maybe ba ka ba consider it ba khona bona re e ba re bya mo yona ke risk because o be di code motho a fitlhile if a fitlhile yeah
ya kana rena le the provincial roads o gape le municipal roads no ya utlwa ya no tlhoks ku utlwa bua ka katlego ya 2024 o sana le dinomoro a gore ngwaga o re nile le batabuni ba kae ka palo gotlhe ya ngwaga o fa o bapisa le palo gotlhe ya 2023
overall 2023 re bile le a ke shoka Setswana mara it's 1200
yeah
close to 1200 and 2024 we were just above 1700 and 2025 we are seeing rena at least more than 3500 and ke tlo lebaka la hore re bone more than 3500 kore the gradual increase ya 21 and 50 kilometer ka bo yona alone it will refer at least to 1.5 to 1.6
yeah
that's at minimum re edile 10 kilometer which was not there this year and last year and most of the people were told tshwana wena rorisan barata 10 kilometer and that 1.5 yang wa itla tswella from batho ba rata 10 kilometer and 500 yang o tlo ikira from your 5 kilometer. And the advantage kore athletics Gauteng North ba re file status sa a league race, and on that weekend Easter weekend compared to 2023 and 2024 arena competition compared in 2025, or if you level la calendar the whole of South Africa, the event ke Mbileni Tshwane North Ultra.
Hey, ke ne ntse ke re tla ko morago ya no o ya ko pele Hloksi ko ne ke ra go teng a re tsene mo go yone go nne so go rogile ko teng Hloksi beke e fetileng le ntse pegele gore le kopana ko Centurion ke ne ke bua le mongwe mo gareng jwa beke le ena mpolelela gore no Tshwane North Ultra ba tla ba yo kopana ko ka ko Centurion ya no le kopana ka ko Centurion le ile ka ko le Tshwane North Ultra morago ga go tswa ka ko Centurion le tswile ka lena le farologaneng ga yana re bua ka Mpileng Tshwane North Ultra. Mpileng group ke bomang gore ba le mo metshamekong Hloksi la bofelo ke a itse ba ne le water point ka ko Tshwane North Ultra ga yana ke di headline sponsors.
Mpileng group ke a blessing in disguise for Tshwane North Ultra. Ba itla mo re na ba tlile ba re water point a re thoma go kopana le bona this year ka 2024. Ebe mathata ke mathata ore o stay o tlhogala dilo tse dintsi. Mpileng ke company loro ba dira dilo tse di fapaneng, ba dira ba na le di learning institutions, the legal, the BEE, ba na le also no babuji a funeral a group, so it's different things. Re bile fortunate ya re thoma re bolela le bona re thoma ba bontsha the potential of being part of the sports. By welcome ka pelo ka moka o re ne re ka ba ona re felletse re ba le Mpileng group Tshwane North Ultra re bitse Mpileni Tshwane North Ultra. Gore Tshwane North Ultra remains Tshwane North Ultra for the rest of its life, mara the headline sponsor takes the name re bile le Mpileng because a re ba rekisetsa headline sponsor ba rile arena enough capacity, mara we are willing to go with you re ka o thusa because Automa race you need a lot of cost. O tlhoka tšhelete a patela le traffic or o tswalle tsela o tshwanetse o patele traffic or o launch as early as possible, o need a traffic o need a tšhelete or o dire joko re felle le di ambulance dilo tse dintsi o di patela in advance. And if o lebella o felletsa le gore a o be le enough tšhelete, so arrangement ya rena le Mpileng e bile gore they will come in as our partners. They were our water point people. They came in as our partner, putting down a budget down to make sure that the event goes on without any hindrance. If you are Asia, kaskono o ya rankua kosa kina petrol or kaskono o printa di pamphlet kara kina chelete because Tshwane at home. Then we re-agree lore going forward re tla finalize taba jadi tomorrow they came on board. Ke batho ba lore ba ikemiseditse over part of the sports community and be involved in the community. Ke ba bone from Tshwane North Ultra, one of our own hosted a 73-kilometer Limpopo. They assisted. They assisted also ko Limpopo ka the cross country. So o khona bona hore as much as Mpileni is sa tsebale that much, mara they've got a courage to take up the bigger task. Eloro batho ba bantsi ba tshaba o elata straight.
Kana urile ba le thusa ka bokae?
a ba re a ra dula le bona ka tšhelete re boletse gore bo re beela budget
kana ba beile bokae
ba re beetse 300,000 for starting the race.
All right.
Ba re beetse 300 to start the race.
All right. No ya utlwala folks hey mona le fetotse folks gudle mo be ke fitile o tlhalosa semmuso gore no ga re sa duela o tswang ko maemo a botlhano ga re sa duela maemo a bone re duela fela top 3 tshwetswe o letse re ka tselentseng jang
ke taba that's why ke rile ka re if o level for rena o re felletse re dula le mpileng ka ba la re bile le financially wise re ka se re the event it generate enough funds so it can sustain itself.
Yeah.
So re bile le challenge or there was still some debts they needed to be covered from 2023 into 2024. And Mpileng was there to say no, we can make these available funds for you guys to pay your debts. You'll see how you settle yourself as opposed or later le jiga le ringa ka di loan tsa patala di rana le ya ka loan ya patala di levy. So the reason why I cut those prices ka ba la re lebele jore the more we maintain a top 5 resina a solid ground their finances we are risking for the event not to continue. So I better ne go better re focus to top 3 and also it makes sense because the podium in alle 3 steps I na 5 and now we're just extending so that we can also benefit a lot of other people. But the other thing we now brought in the 10 kilometer and we also have brought in the walkers. The number 1 walker is going to be winning. I think we may not have announced it last week because we're still looking at the logistics. So the number 1 on 21, they will be winning, I think 1.5, it was not announced. And on 10 kilometer, they will be winning 1,000. That's the walkers. So we have added those categories. So we had to revise the price for the benefit the event or it be sustainable o polore as the price winning fela ona le di logistics o tshwana le metsi le route change from more be bona ke dilo tse ding tse lore di ba impacted le the safety aspect the event itself in need a chelete eloro I associated locating I get locating o tlhoka ma traffic o tlhoka di code o tlhoka di barricades. So because of the increased number you need more barricades which you need more medals or need more everything that you need it's more. So ofella loro tshwanetse o level your approach differently otherwise you risk not having a prolonged event.
Normally folks motabo go tshwana le o race ya go tshwana le tshwana North Ultra ga o re o na le enough budget gantsi re buela fo kae o ka re enough budget ya ka ya go ka dira lebelo la selebose
for tshwana North Ultra the break even point ka the current ka 3,000 break even point the cost versus the income that you can generate from the entry fees it accounted when we calculated it to RR but like the best it was about 900,000 that include even the t-shirts even when you are selling them.
So it's close to $1 million.
It's close to $1 million. I think 2023 it came close to 700,000 because then you are talking 100,000 alone get the winners. You've got 100,000 get traffic officers. Osana lady 50. It's a lot of money still. How the leverage individual it's small amounts. But when you go and sit down it's a lot of money.
No good lo bolela no bukhosi mo be ke fitile re hey a rena tšhelete no bukhosi bo tla nna re tla le fa yona e rena le yona ora gore ke 50 21 10 ga mo go le 5 ke tsa 2025.
Yes, ke 4 distance.
A go tlhalose ya go ka fetola route ku khone go utlwele reole the route ga ke tse le mitseng
the route
measure le no tlhalositse gore le fetotse gore mabaka a gore le fetole ke a ntseng jang
number one, first of all, safety aspect count.
Okay.
Because 21 kilometer was running on Barrett's Road.
Oh yeah.
So now 21 kilometer is at Lokitima Godima Barrett's Road. So Tisha into the Orchard extensions. Then the 50 kilometers going to touch Barrett's Road. 50 kilometer never ran on Barrett's Road, but now it's going to run on Yokitima go Barrett's Road. Instead of Rotome from go Bundu in go fast. Rotoma go from Saswa. So Leo Hopela route closure. Or Hopela minimize the route closure as compared to if you Rotoma go fast. Rare Twala from Otoma Morangua all the way fitla on the other side, which might not be easy to get. But the biggest thing I felt like change the distance score more by only I think Lotus or by Kishomara deflate along more.
Oh yeah.
Or then now we are deployed to Pundu in.
Yeah.
Only construction, only development currently. And that development in Modima Modimayon. So Tsilela as we speak. And although it never construct a new route, a ratio your new route it will be ready by April. And you know construction project can take long. So if you regard Riamela or Barret the lens, you are risk.
Okay.
And then also you look at the bigger part Corey for an IBL advantage because then you're feeling you look on the safety side. Mara also to re-prepare the whole measurement and everything.
Yeah. Good le folks le tlhalositse gore kete le butse ya nong gore batho ba ka simolla go ikwadisetsa lebelo no ke tla le ka 5 ka ra ke rana sontse ke tlo ke ire coverage ke ana ke nana gore 5
o ka ba ready for 50
no folks ke sa le monnya gore nka ira magugu a le lizwe a go re bolelle le stile butse ya nong ikwadiso ya gore batho ba ka tsenela lebelo la ngwagotla
ya di entry di butse ba ka ya go website na rena ya Tshwane North Ultra
yeah
ona le they can enter from there. Alternatively they can also go to entryninja.com then ba search for Tshwane North Ultra ba tla re kry ba tla gona o enter
yeah
barraking first 500 by 50 kilometer
yeah
Bokira long sleeve t-shirt for free. Mara for any other person or white hogger whether the 5 kilometer they can buy that t-shirt at 250. For simple reasons arena enough funds to can give people things for free. We have done that 2023 we the same 2024
yeah
and we kill against arena as the event. So for now the reason why re butse pela gore re afford re fela batho chance ya gona go prepare gore at least ba ka save enough because if you ga level the other years re butse is around mid January towards the end of January event in only 2 months 3 months but when I know that's why kirile mo and I get confidently 3.5 ya batho bona bat lotla that break even arna doubt mo yona re ka gona o fitla mo yona at least re ka gona o solve mathata rena a 2023 le 2024 ensuring or the event going forward it becomes a world class event re planner as soon as re jwa re ke di 20 ya di 21 re thoma o planner the following year mara o ga plan the following year house na the funds
yeah ke a gopola folks le simolotse le bo tete di jana 2023 le bo Remo TV ga ke itse le ngwaga o tlang le santse le balaleditse gore ba tla ba nne karolo ya the Tshwane North Ultra
yeah approach rena ya Tshwane North Ultra gore the winner o tshwantse a dirento atla defend so rofa the end and you will recall or the winner ke club mate ya bo Tete le bo Mothibi.
Yeah.
So invitation already re setse re tsamaisitse go bona gore we are back, but they will look at their program. Mara most of the time, what I know, Gore, the level of TNU is very close to the green team. It's very close to their heart. I'm confidently sure that it's there on their program, unless someone invites them somewhere else.
Yeah.
So they will be there, unless something changes. So nka se re tete or mara team ya bona yona some will be there.
So mara le ga ke itse wena jaaka race director gore a o nna le stress gore o re thiba leteletso ke go defender yaanong title le tsere ke ba ngwaga o re bone ntse ka le bona ba tsaya title ka no bukhosi ga ke itse gone fa e sa le tshwane North Ultra Simol ga gona o kgonne go defender title ya gago.
Cricket sports.
Yeah.
Sports is about competition. So omoaka I defender, omoaka palo go defender. Mararana approach arena, especially on the 50-kilometer corridor. If you won this year, you must come next year. We do a special invitation. That's why re invite Leno Chuma to come and talk on behalf of the runners. Musiani confirmed mo narne kabaka la short notice ya media launch loba American he couldn't make mara. He appreciate the fact that we invited them and they are coming again next year. So unless something happens or something drastic happened, you still expect to see a lot of these runners joining us. And because of the popularity, you will know that even the winner was training on our route, the winner of Comrade. So you should expect that going forward, we will start to have more of these people joining level of Tshwane North Ultra.
Yeah. A re tswale folks, ha ba batla tshedimosetso ebile pele re tswala folks kutle ba setlhopha sa City of Tshwane ga ke itse ne se le buile le MMC ona le sengwe se o buileng ka sona le gore ke tene a ke itse le la le ditse MMC o montšha o palesa modise gore a nne karolo ya the launch mme ke tlo nna le tsene motshwere fale le fale le rometse invitation a ba promisitse gore ba tla commita on anything go contribute more the TNU.
Nka se re ka commitment ya contribute to TNU mara for TNU to be successful you need the seat.
Yeah.
Because ke Tshwane ke product ya Tshwane. So re balaleditse they will be there. They are part of us. We are doing sports for the city. We are not doing for ourselves. So re ba invitile re ngadile formal letter. They committed to say no, we will support you. We'll see. But la bona re ba re supporta jwang. Mara nka se re commitment contribution ke tla be ke bolela maka on radio. If they said they will put anything, mara they will support us.
Beke tante berna le na ga re mmotsa re go tswa go TNU potso ya MMC ha re isa go ena go tswa go TNU re botse potso
re tlo shiana 21 or 10 go TNU.
All right. Yeah, no. O tla ba le fa mo bekeng etla MMC palesa modise re tlo bua le ene ka ntla tlo se ga ke itse ke se re tlogelang ko moragong gonne fa na le se re tlogelang ko morago se sengwe gape re bolelle gore di tsamayang di entry tse gonne ke a itse gore di farologane.
Ara change the price.
Yeah.
It's 450 for the 50 kilometer, 290 for the 21 kilometer, 180 for 10 kilometer, and run for the 5 kilometer.
Oh yeah.
Ara change the price. Ara increase from 2023. Those who have been our prices.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I did no change, and if anything, all information go to my website. It's there.
Yeah.
We are continuing to update it. Look on Facebook.
Yeah. All right. Re le bogetse na ka go maitse ba tsa la gompieno right so ga se la bofelo re tlo bua le wena ke akanya gore morago ga puisano re tla nna gongwe ka bo January gape re o tlhole re utlwe gore di ipakanye di tsamaya.
All right. No ke a leboa se se le re filo sona re le Tshwane le join in numbers for 2025 or November na mo Tshwane ka East.
Dankie. Ya o ne re buisana le nao ke re Stokes lebe ya o ile go rotswa jalo ka go Tshwane North Ultra ke ena mokaedi mogolo wa lebelo leo la Mpileng Tshwane North Ultra le diragala mo ngwageng o tla 19 April 2025 ya tsatsi la gompieno thulaganyo re be afa re tla ba re kopana gape mo nakong e tla
kgwebo o batla go igodisa
Dankie Stokes
o batla go dira madi a le mantsi fa o arabile